Hello, this is Dave Marshall, and what I'd like to do today is show you how to do orthographic block number 1. So what we're going to need today is a sharp pencil, some orthographic graph paper, and page 19 that shows the drawings 1 through 4. So let's take a close look here at block number 1. We've got to be able to identify what is the front view, what is the top view, and what is the side view. So let's start off with the front view. Let's imagine for a second we're standing on the red X and we're looking back toward the block in this direction that the blue arrow shows. We'll be able to see that flat surface on the front. We'd also be able to see that slope surface going to the back. That's if we're standing on the red X and looking at the front view. Now let's go look at the top view. Let's pretend we're a drone and we're flying over it and we're looking straight down at the top. What would we see from the top? Well, this blue arrow is pointing to the rectangle on the top that we could see, and this blue arrow is pointing to that slope surface, the same one we saw on the front. We can see that both from the front and the top view. Now let's go over and stand on the side of the shape, and let's see what our side view looks like if we're standing over by the number 1. This blue arrow points to the side view. Notice the profile. Okay, at this point, let's start drawing block number 1. We've got our orthographic basic block shape already drawn. We can see that on our orthographic paper. So now what we've got to do is we've got to come down to the front view and we've got to start figuring out where we should start. I'm counting up 1 inch because, as we discovered before, on our front view, up 1 inch, there's a line across the front view. So I'm doing that right now. Again, a construction line, light, thin, and erasable. And then I'm going to project that information off, okay, that line I just drew, over into my side view. So that's a new intersection point. So again, I'm going to use a dashed line, and I'm going to make projection lines over into my side view. Now I'm going to go up to the top view, and I can see that down or back 1.5 inches, so that's 6 squares. I've got a line going across the top of my top view. I'm going to project that over to my rebound line and down into my side view. Right there, rebound down. Right into my side view. And now if I look at my side view, it's got some projection lines going right through the middle of it. And that top corner there, diagonally down to this corner, is going to make that slant that's going to give my side view its profile. So I'm going to draw diagonally. This is the only time I'm drawing a line right now that isn't on a graph paper line. It's a diagonal line. Going to go erase what I don't need. And then I'm going to use a marker here. Remember, we're not using a marker. We're going to use our pencil, but I'm using the marker so it stands out better. And I'm going to convert all my lines that are construction lines that show the object into object lines. Congratulations, you've just done orthographic block 1. Looks really nice. Remember, you can rewind and go back and look at it again.